The next function of the camera tool is actually something that's actually under the desktop tools. Now this is a strategy I use when I'm trying to do something in class on the fly that's maybe class specific. A question comes up, what we can do is actually go to a website and bring contents of that website back to our page to manipulate. So let me just do an example here. What we're going to do is we're going to go to this icon up here called Desktop Tools. If I click on that, you can see there actually just bumps me out to a website, whatever website I have up at the time. So if your email's up or whatever, be careful. The next thing that you can see is that there's this little wonder wheel that has appeared here. They used to call it a wonder wheel anyway. And you can move that to any part of the page, so I usually just try to keep it out of the way. You can see that there is a keyboard. There is a place to do express polls where you would turn on a voting question so you can actually vote from the web. Here is the screen recorder. Math people particularly might be interested in that. There are some additional tools here like a clock, a calculator, the dice roller, and one other thing here, which is the ticker tape. But we're going to focus on the camera because that's what we've come here to do today. And there are multiple different options: the full screen, the window, the freehand, the point-to-point, and the area snapshot. So let's talk about the tornado. We come into class, the tornado, everyone's talking about a tornado. Some people are saying it's a tornado, some people aren't saying it's a tornado. We're just going to go to a website and grab the tomato F-scale damage analysis thing here, and I'm just going to put that onto a new page. So I took a picture of this. I didn't have to drag it or anything. And then if I go back to the Wonder Wheel, it says return to flip charts. This is the most commonly kind of messed up thing, and this is also kind of a new function with Inspire. So work with me, hit return to flip chart. And now that you can see is really cool, and however fast you can do that, that's how fast it gets beamed to this page. So now we have this page. So we can analyze the different F scales, or we can look at the damage and rule out that well-constructed houses were not leveled, so it must be one of these other ones up here possibly. Just to show some different tools how I could use that. So now let's do the desktop tools again. I'm actually going to go to a picture from the Star Tribune. Oh, and it moved. And it looks like they put more up. Okay, so for the sake of time, I won't find the perfect picture I had last time. But anyway, I'm going to go to the camera tool. I'm going to choose, it's a little finesse going on in there. I'm going to select this picture. I'm going to take an image of it. I'm going to put it on the current page. I'm going to go back to the flip chart. And now we have something that we can analyze. We have some evidence that we can use with this picture.